Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ishimi Tomogdon Quizon, and in this video, I will be discussing about the Nano World in three different aspects, namely the science, technology, and society. But first, we have here the learning objectives. Upon completion of this lesson, students will be able to first define nanotechnology, list and describe common applications for nanotechnology, explain how nanotechnology has influenced the field of information technology, and also distinguish the advantages and disadvantages of nanotechnology. Origin of Nano World. So, Nano World is the global market leader for tips for scanning probe microscopy or SPM and atomic force microscopy or AFM. It is also the sphere of influence of nanotechnology. Scanning probe microscopy. Scanning probe microscopy is used to create images of nanoscale surfaces and structures or manipulate atoms to move them in specific patterns. It is founded in year 1981 with the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope. Atomic force microscopy. AFM is a very high resolution type of scanning probe microscopy with demonstrated resolution on the order of fractions in a nanometer, more than 1,000 times better than the optical diffraction limit. Nanoscience. The prefix nano is referred to a Greek prefix meaning dwarf or something very small. It is 1,000 millionth of a meter or 10 raised to 9 meter. Nanoscience is the study of structures and molecules on the scales of nanometers ranging between 1 and 100 meter. Nanoscience is a convergence of physics, materials science, and biology which deal with manipulation of materials at atomic and molecular scales. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is one of the most promising technologies of the 21st century. The American physicist and Nobel Prize laureate Richard Feynman introduced the concept of nanotechnology in the year 1959. Feynman made the hypothesis, why can't we write the entire 24 volumes of Encyclopedia Britannica on the head of a bean and describe a vision of using machines to construct a smaller machines and down to the molecular level. This new idea demonstrated that Feynman's hypotheses have been proven correct, and for this reason, he is considered the father of modern technology. After 15 years, Norio Taniguchi, a Japanese scientist, was the first to use and define the term nanotechnology in year 1974, as nanotechnology mainly consists of the processing of separation, consolidation, and deformation of materials by one atom or one molecule. Examples of application of nanotechnology. Electronics. Quantum nanowires and microchips made of carbon nanotubes will soon be able to compete with silicon in terms of size, speed, and efficiency. Flexible touchscreen could be made from graphene. Energy. A noble semiconductor from Kyoto University allows solar panel to increase the quality of sunlight converted to energy because some nanocomponents are thermally insulating. Some nanotechnology can save energy. Biomedicine. Some nanomaterials features make them excellent for early diagnosis and therapy of neurological disorders and cancer. They can target cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. Some nanoparticles have been utilized to improve pharmaceuticals like sunscreen. Environment. Environmentally friendly uses include iron air purification, white wastewater purification, utilizing nanobubbles and heavy metal, nanofiltration, inefficient and polluting chemical reactions can benefit from nanocatalysts. Food. To increase food production by enhancing mechanical and thermal resistance and minimizing oxygen transfer, impact products, nanobiosensors, and nanocomposites could be employed. Textile. Nanotechnology enables the creation of stain-resistant fabrics as well as stronger, lighter, and more durable materials for motorcycle helmets and sport equipments. These are the examples of nanotechnology products. Possible application of nanotechnology in the Philippines. So these are the sectors in the Philippines where nanotechnology may be applied, though it may be applied in all aspects generally. First is the information and communication technologies and semiconductors. It is proven that nanotechnology improves communication and information technology as seen in the present day, where faster microprocessors are powering up our devices, allowing us to communicate easier and faster. Next, health and medicine. It has been foreseen that in the future, a technology will be created that uses small robots in medical procedures, such as surgery where human skills may not be possible. Next, energy. Solar and other types of energy may be utilized through the use of nanotechnology. Also, food and agriculture. Nanotechnology may of course improve agricultural and food production as the Philippines is an agricultural country. Environment. Environment-friendly machines and technologies that have the goal of improving the environment may also be created through the nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is also used through the following: food and agriculture, coatings for car and sunglasses. And here are the top 10 uses and applications of nanotechnology as determined by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO. First is the energy storage production and conversion, agricultural productivity enhancement and conversion, water treatment and imagination disease, diagnosis and screening, drug delivery systems, food processing and storage, air pollution and immigration, construction, health monitoring, and vector and pest detector. Advantages of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology can actually revolutionize a lot of electronic product procedures and applications. That areas that benefit from continued development of nanotechnology when it comes to electronic products include nanotransistors, nanodiodes, OLED or organic light emitting diodes, plasma displays, quantum computers, and many more. Nanotechnology can also benefit the energy sector, the development of more effective energy producing, energy absorbing, and energy storage products in smaller and more efficient devices is possible with this technology. Another industry that can benefit from nanotechnology is the manufacturing sector that will need materials like nanotubes, aerogels, nanoparticles, and other similar items to produce their products. With these materials are often stronger, more durable, and lighter than those that are not produced with the help of nanotechnology in the medical world. Nanotechnology is also seen as a boon since this can help with creating what is called smart drugs. These help cure people faster and without side effects that other traditional drugs have these advantages of nanotechnology included in the list of disadvantages of the science and its development, and is a possible loss of jobs in the traditional farming and manufacturing industry. Atomic weapons can be more accessible and made to be more powerful and more destructive. This can also become more accessible with nanotechnology. Since these particles are very small, problems can actually arise from the inhalation of these many particles, and like the problems as a person gets from inhaling unit asbestos particles. Presently, nanotechnology is very expensive and developing. It can cost you a lot of money. It is also pretty difficult to manufacture, which is probably why products made with nanotechnology are more expensive. And that would be all, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Thank you and God bless.